Today, I started reinforcing the stream bank to stop it from collapsing and washing away. I'm using what nature gives, old branches. I cut them into pieces and press them into the soil along the edge. These branches act like a natural frame, holding the earth together. Over time, they'll blend into the landscape, covered with moss and grass. Sometimes, nature just needs a little help from us. Now it's time to deal with the thick brush. The stream is choked with wild shrubs that trap trash and block the flow of water. I'm cutting away what's not needed, clearing the path. Slowly, the stream comes back to life. The water flows freely. Sunlight reaches the bottom, and space opens up for both water and wildlife. Today is all about the reeds. They've taken over, turning clean water into swamp. It's tough work, pulling them out by the roots, thinning the clusters, but it's worth it. Now, the water moves again. The bank is breathing. What used to be a swamp is starting to look like a living stream again.